One of my friends asked me, hey, is AI going to make you guys obsolete and useless as an agency? Like, can't AI build all the websites and everything automatically? Well, the answer is absolutely not. And I'll tell you why that's the case. I'll show you an example where AI kind of let us down and the human touch really shined. We just had this layout generated using an AI tool and it came up with a very basic, very generic, boring thing. It looks like any other WordPress template, really nothing special about it. It has a hero block with a headline, a call to action button, intro block with an image and some text. It's not bad. It's nothing outstanding. This is something that a WordPress template designer from back in the days could have done for maybe $2,000 or so, right? You just spit this out from a template, existing template, and you skin it with your own brand and color and fill some content and boom, done. And that's the limitation of AI. AI is looking at existing things to come up with a most likely solution based on previous patterns. That's what LLMs do. So even the visual design, the extension of it is still limited to recreating what exists. It's not going to create magnificent stuff that makes you go, whoa. And if these kind of generic looking pages become commoditized where existing React app templates, Figma templates can just be easily deployed to make this, then it also doesn't have much value anymore because now it's become a norm, not something outstanding, right? Think about it this way. In the 2000s, having a rear view camera on a car was considered a luxury. You had to get the higher end trims or get a luxury brand car like Mercedes or BMW to get a rear view camera. Nowadays, the cheapest Toyota Priuses or Kia Rios, even they come with a rear view camera, so it's not spectacular anymore, right? So, and that's where the human touch really comes in. Now, I'm going to show you an example where our human touch and creativity was supercharged by a AI-powered workflow to take something that would have normally taken a whole week's production, maybe, into a 2-day production. If you look at this clinic website that we've prototyped here, here's a big splash intro, very minimal, none of that AI-generated generic crap. Scroll down, and it has this neat scroll through dialogue feature where it keeps changing the USP, the key selling point of this clinic, as you go through. Now, this is a very neat module, and best of all, this is actually fully editable easily on the back end by our clients, our content team, admin team, whoever. So here's a preview right there. Let's change this from caring to empathetic, and then boom. It'll update on the preview immediately so you can see what you just changed. And you can even add new slides as you wish. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can add a new slide and keep extending on this easily. This only took 2 days, and anybody who knows the industry will realize this normally would have taken many more days of work to do. See this design here, we laid this out on Figma to get an idea of what each pane is going to look like. And also, when I say 2 days, that also includes content writing and research based on what they currently had on their Instagram channel so that we get an idea of what their USPs are. Yeah, it's incredible with research and content writing, getting the style guides and coding, plugging in the content into the CMS so that the content management system allows our clients or admins to easily update it. For all of that to take only 2 days, and that's including a lot of research time because this is the first time we're implementing this workflow. The second and third time will be even faster. This is an unheard of increase in efficiency to get from inception to a finished usable product. And picking a CMS that is AI friendly, so the structure of the content management system is far superior to old school ones like WordPress or whatever, where AI can configure this easily and accurately. And also our prompting and planning structure is one that doesn't take the creativity or the human touch away from the design process, but rather implements AI where it really shines to supercharge our speed and efficacy. So there you have it, a truly AI-powered workflow that doesn't lose a human touch. So back to the original question, can AI replace agencies like us entirely? Well, not ours, maybe some agencies, but not ours. If anything, AI is only making us work better and faster because it's allowing us to put more time into the human-inspired designs and client-centric research and providing, building websites and modules that our clients and their customers will enjoy using. And it reduces the amount of tedious work that we have to do, that formerly took us a lot of time that now AI is enabling us to automate and supercharge. So thank you, Claude.